As we enter a new year 2023, I wish that all our Goans are conscious to the welfare of our state. I wish that our Goans become conscious and start understanding the dubious roles that our leaders are playing, the taunt that our leaders are playing against our Goans especially. We have seen that on account of our unconsciousness or on account of our silence, our leaders have not only betrayed the people, but they went ahead to betray even gods by pledging before gods and deserting the very mandate given by the people. So for that reason, I hope that 2023 will make all our Goans more conscious to the welfare of our state, to ensure that our funds, basically our precious resources, are not looted and siphoned by our leaders. Today, our leaders are indulging into scams with pride. Instead of having any sort of guilt or remorse, our leaders are in pride. They stand to loot our public exchequer. We have seen in Margaon how a drain, a nala of 81 lakhs is being shifted just for the welfare and benefit of a ruling party leader, so that the taxpayer bears the cost of shifting of this nala for real estate development. We have seen how mercury-lead waste, poisonous waste, is being dumped in open areas near the district court. And in spite of that, in spite of this all being nonsense, still our leaders take pride in claiming that they are doing something good for the society. For that, I urge the people and the Goans especially to look upon the welfare of the state and be conscious of such acts of our leaders, so that Goa should not get destroyed on account of our own negligence, on account of our tolerance with these leaders of ours.